Hey Kings, welcome back to the channel. If you caught our last video on how to eliminate foot odor, you already know. Good scent isn't just hygiene, it's social strategy. Today we're talking about alpha male hygiene habits, and trust me, we're hitting the spots you're probably forgetting to clean. This isn't just for your confidence, it's for attraction. Real attraction? It's primal. Looks fade, words are cheap, but smell? That hits first. And it lasts. Why this matters. Summer's heating up. One wrong move and boom, a deal-breaker scent moment. Sweat plus neglect equals biohazard. Covering it with cologne? That's not alpha, it's assault. Real alpha males clean the source, then add scent as backup. A well-washed man is attractive, popular, and respected. Boost your appeal with this simple habit, because women love a man who smells clean. Okay, let's go. Section 1. Face and head. Let's start where most men barely think to scrub, the head and face. These areas may seem harmless, but they're often silent offenders when it comes to odor. In the summer heat, these zones trap sweat, sebum, and product residue like a sponge. The spots you're often forgetting are 1. Behind the ears. This tiny zone is a bacteria buffet. Sweat and oil accumulate here fast and can ferment into a funky cheese-like scent.
Ew.
Scrub it daily during your shower routine. 2. Back of the neck. Hidden by hair and shirt collars, this spot builds up gunk from hair products, sweat, and tight fabrics. Make it part of your cleansing ritual. 3. Tongue. Here's one that gets skipped way too often. Your breath isn't just about brushing. Bad odor lives on your tongue. Use a proper tongue scraper with a dab of toothpaste or mouthwash. 4. Philtrum. That space between your nose and upper lip might look innocent, but it's a scent trap for food particles, sweat, and oil. Keep it clean, especially if you have facial hair. 5. Scalp. Even if you have short hair or shave your head, your scalp still produces oil. A stinky scalp can kill your vibe. Use charcoal or tea tree shampoo at least twice a week to stay fresh. Section 2. Body. These are the real battlefield zones, the areas on your body that naturally sweat more and harbor odor-causing bacteria. Forgetting to wash them properly can turn a clean outfit into a betrayal. And the critical clean zones in your body are 1. Inner elbows. This fold stays moist and warm, making it the perfect place for bacteria to breed. Most guys never wash here, but it's a hidden odor trap. 2. Armpits. This one's obvious, but you'd be surprised how many men give it a lazy rinse. Scrub thoroughly with antibacterial soap. A benzoyl peroxide wash in 2025 is your best bet. 3. Genital area. If you want to be clean and confident, this is non-negotiable. Use lukewarm water and fragrance-free gentle soap to avoid irritation. 4. Feet. Already covered this in detail in our last video. If you're skipping your soles and between your toes, you're not clean, period. Remember, odor starts where moisture hides. Be smarter than your sweat. Section 3. Clothes. Even with impeccable personal hygiene, your clothes can betray you. Fabric acts like a sponge, soaking in sweat, bacteria, and body oils.
Ew.
And if you don't treat it right, that clean shirt can start smelling like last week's gym bag. Especially in the summer, this can turn into a full-blown social crisis. Check out the links in the comments down below for powerful detergents and laundry boosters that actually get rid of stubborn clothing odor. Not just mask it. Okay, here's the often forgotten smell zones. 1. Underwear and socks. These hug the sweatiest parts of your body all day long. If odor lingers after a wash, don't negotiate. Replace them. Use hot water washes with baking soda or vinegar soaks, and dry them in sunlight when possible. 2. Shirts with stubborn smells. If you've washed it and it still smells funky, that's not fabric anymore. That's bacterial colonization.
Ew.
Toss it, no matter how cool the graphic is. 3. White clothes. Use hydrogen peroxide or baking soda during wash cycles to lift odors without damaging the brightness. 4. Dark or expensive items. Don't overwear. After 2 to 3 wears, dry clean or use enzyme-based detergents to preserve both scent and style. A clean outfit? That's alpha energy, without saying a word. Important reminder. Always dry your clothes immediately after washing. Don't let them sit wet in the machine. That damp environment is prime real estate for bacteria. And trust me, it'll cook up some next-level funk you can't cologne your way out of. A good scent isn't optional, it's strategy. Especially women are sensitive to smell. And if the wrong part of you stinks at the wrong moment, game over. Don't mask, eliminate, clean the hidden zones. Add fragrance only when you're 100% clean. You're not just being hygienic, you're being magnetic. Don't forget to check out the links in the comment down below for powerful cleaning products. Like and comment if you've ever forgotten one of these spots, and hit that subscribe for more alpha-level lifestyle hacks. And if you haven't watched the foot odor deep clean video, watch that next. Your summer self will thank you. Stay fresh, stay sharp, stay alpha. See you next time, kings.